Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make chewy gingerbread cookies. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then in a large bowl, add in the softened butter and brown sugar and cream them with an electric mixer for 1 to 5 minutes. The longer you cream it, the more the cookies will spread in the oven, so if you don't want them to spread much, don't cream it for very long. Then add in the egg and molasses. Mix them in until they're combined, and scrape down the sides if needed. Then in a separate small bowl, add in the flour, baking soda, salt, ginger, cinnamon, nutmeg, cloves, and allspice, and whisk them together until they're combined. Add the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients and mix them in until they're combined. Then scoop out some of the dough, roll it into a ball, roll it around in some sugar, and place it onto a sheet pan lined with a silicone mat or parchment paper, spacing them out at least 1.5 inches apart. If you feel like the dough is too soft to work with, you can place the dough into the fridge to let it firm up, and it will be easier to work with. And chilling the dough makes no difference to how they will bake. Then bake them in the oven for about 10 minutes until they're nicely browned. When they're done, remove it from the oven and let them cool in the pan for at least 2 minutes. And transfer them to a cooling rack and let them cool for longer. And you can serve them still warm or cooled completely. And that's how to make chewy gingerbread cookies. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.